Maayong hapon mga Dabber Cats na nagtanaw sa atong Facebook Live karong hapuna. Happy Wednesday. Yes, love is in the air, Hopya.
Yes, it's really in the
ramdam
air.
Na ramdam ko na malapit na ang Valentine's Day. May ka-date ka na ba?
Yes, you know me.
Puti ka pa.
How about you?
Charot! Huwag na nating pausapan. Pero masaya ako, kapiling ko mga kaibigan ko at kapamilya.
Yes, because Valentine's,
Yes.
I told you, it's not about love, family, it's also family like that.
Yes. At sa mga Dabber Cats natin dyan, advance happy Valentine's Day. Welcome
Yes.
po sa programang Love for All for Love. Magmahalan tayo. Ako nga po pala inyong Cebuan ng DJ, nga si DJ Malaya.
And of course, my name is Hopia. Hi,
Yes.
Dabber Cats.
Hello po. Ayan, i-shout out po natin yung mga Dabber Cats
Yes,
natin
let's
ngayon na nanonood.
To shout out.
Sabi ni Mila Vanzuela Bawal, hello sa family ko sa Paiisa, Tiaong, Quezon family.
Rose, hello sa mga OFW graduates ng RNHS Santiago all over the world.
Hello po
Ingat
sa
lagi.
inyong lahat.
Hi.
At kay Eleanor and Ciso Santos, shout out Riza Aliana Santos. Miss you. Aww.
Tami Yabot, pa-shout out sa Yabot family.
Ayan, Sergi Boris Magaliano, shout out sa'yo. Sabi niya, hello, good, happy afternoon. Pa-shout out, avid fan watching. Hello po.
This one, Dondi Flores. Pa-shout out po, DJ Malaya, sa lahat ng taga Cebu, lalo na sa Flores family. Wow.
Ayan, mga Dabber Cats, keep on watching para sa story natin today.
Yes.
And of course, please share this Facebook Live para marami po ang makapanood. At shout out po ulit kay Dondi Flores, pa-shout out po sa inyong lahat dyan. Lahat ng taga Cebu, lalo na sa Flores family.
Yes. And Angelica Reyes, shout out po sa Quijano family. Hi.
Hello, at kay
Shout out.
Victoria Castro. Shout out Castro family from Rojas City. Thank you, love 222.
Wow.
And of course, Dabber Cats, maraming salamat po sa 3,000 subscribers kahapon po. Ayan, ngayong araw, 1 million subscribers na po tayo sa YouTube!
To all the 3,000 new subscribers,
Yes.
thank you.
Keep on subscribing.
Keep on subscribing to the people that are not subscribers as of now.
Yes. Ayan po, kahapon, Hopya, yung story natin is about best friend versus boyfriend.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Dahil laging nagsiselo si boyfriend sa best friend ng girlfriend niya.
Yes.
Kasi close pa rin sila hanggang ngayon, kahit
Yes.
na may jowa na siya. Ngayon naman, ang story natin for today ay tungkol sa magulang na ayaw madistract ang kanilang anak dahil nagkaroon ng girlfriend. Ayaw
Oh.
madistract sa studies.
But you know, it's natural sometimes.
Natural yun sa mga parents,
To the
diba?
parents, yes.
Oo. Pero, ayan, tunghayan po natin ang story natin for today. Sabi dito, hi po DJ Malaya and Hopia. Kamusta po?
We're good.
Sana okay po kayo. Okay naman kami.
Yes, we're very good.
Yes. Ako po kasi, hindi.
Mm.
Ako nga po pala si James. Isang medicine student. Ay, tingin ko matalino
Yes,
to.
brainy,
student eh.
very brainy.
Marami ang nagsasabi na maganda ang magiging future ko dahil sa napili kong career.
Yes, that's
Isa
true.
po akong goal-oriented son. Bata pa lang ako, laging nire-remind sa akin ng tatay ko na pag-igihin ko ang pag-aaral dahil gusto niya akong maging isang doktor.
Door.
Dr. James.
Yes.
Dr. James, Dr. James. Nagustuhan ko naman po ang pagsuporta ng tatay ko. At naging focus talaga ako sa pag-aaral ko.
Very good.
Let's see what will happen.
Gusto naman pag-aaral mo, anak?
Tay, okay naman po. Marami lang po kaming exams tsaka practicum po na kailangan ko tapusin. Pero yakang-yaka ko po, tay. Yakang-yaka ko.
Very good, anak. Matutuwa talaga sa nanay mo dyan. O siya, magpahinga ka na. Maya-maya, kakain na tayo. Niluto ng nanay mo yung paborito mo.
Uy! Sige po, tay. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po, nay!
Naging masipag po talaga ako. Kahit mahirap, kinakaya ko. Pero nagbago ang lahat nang makilala ko si Trisha.
Oh, here comes the girlfriend.
Si Trisha po ay isang magandang aksidente na nangyari sa buhay ko.
Oh, so it's like a beautiful disaster.
Yes,
Oh,
di ba?
yeah,
Parang
got it.
dumating si Trisha sa buhay niya unexpectedly.
Yes.
Di ba?
And
Pwedeng maging inspirasyon yun sa pag-aaral niya, di ba?
yes, inspiration for sure, not a distraction.
Yes. Sana nga hindi distraction. Tingnan natin yung story
We
mamaya.
will find out later on for sure.
Yes.
And you know, I'm looking forward for the Trisha character.
Uy, the Trisha. Sa tingin mo maganda si Trisha?
I think so.
Oo. Parang Trisha pangalan pala maganda na yun.
So yeah, and you know, being in love, gosh. I hope she's not like the before the
Oo.
tomorrow. Yesterday. The tomorrow. It's like because it's really hard like that. She's not like clingy like that.
Clingy?
Yeah.
Clingy!
Ah.
You mean clingy?
So can you spell?
Yes. Can you
What's this?
spell?
Double G or single?
Single G.
Single G.
Well, only one G.
Okay. I hope she's not like that. Because, you know, the person yesterday,
Yes.
it's like very OA.
Oh, the guy is OA.
No, the girl. OA, overacting that the boyfriend cannot, you know, say something.
I see. Pero let's find out what will happen to James and Trisha's story.
Yes. We'll find out.
There.
Uy, grabe. Thank you ah. Wala man lang tumayo para tumulong. Uy! Kuyang busy. Hindi ka ba natutuan ng pamilya mo, ng magulang mo, na tumulong sa kapwa? Good thing I was in a hurry, ha?
Hindi ko talaga napansin ng pagkakadapa niya. Kaya nung na-realize ko yon, hinanap ko siya. Sa College of Arts and Sciences? Science? What do you think?
Sciences.
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 College.
Oo, that's the
so,
department. College of Arts and
plural.
Sciences.
Oh.
Yes, yes.
Sciences pala siya. Kinausap ko siya. Nakipagkilala at nakipagkaibigan.
Yun.
Sobrang magkaiba kami ng personality ni Trisha. Napaka-outgoing niya. Para siyang hangin na nagbibigay sa akin ng dahilan para huminga.
Wow, so cliche,
It's like an
no?
oxygen.
Yes.
Hanggang sa na-fall. It's like F. I have a problem with the P and F.
Oh, that's okay, that's
Okay,
okay.
I repeat. Hanggang sa na-fall na ako sa kanya. Niligawan ko siya ng 3 months hanggang sa naging kami.
Oh,
Oh.
wow. He's very lucky.
Yes,
diba?
very
Swerte niya,
lucky.
sinagot siya agad ni Trisha.
Yes. Sobrang saya ko kasi ang sarap pala ma-in love.
That's true.
That's right. It's really, you know, you feel that?
Overwhelming.
You feel
Yes,
the love?
of course.
Are you single?
I am single right now, but I
Ah.
felt love before.
But you know me, the love that I'm feeling right now, 16 years, it's like,
Oh my
Oh my
God! Oh my God! I'm so
it's-
jealous.
Yes.
I'm so jealous of you, Hopia.
Yes. It's like, you know, me and the boyfriend clingy always like that.
Oh, so clingy. The relationship is very clingy. What's his name, Hopia?
Actually, because I want to keep it private.
Private.
Artist.
Oo.
But hi,
2 months na kami.
Hi,
nung
Daddy.
Nag-decide akong ipakilala siya sa parents ko. Kaso, doon na nagka-problema.
Oh,
ito
so
na yung problem.
here comes the problem.
Ano kayong mangyayari?
Let's see what the problem.
Tay. Tay.
So, anak, may kasama ka pala.
Hello, good
Upo ka
evening
muna,
po.
Iha.
Hello.
Ikaw muna dyan.
Thank you. CR
sige.
muna ako,
Eh, wag na.
James.
Tay, si...
CR muna ako.
Ha?
Excuse me po.
Tay, si Trisha po, girlfriend ko.
Girlfriend, kailan ka pa natuto lihim sa amin?
Lihim po. Pinakilala ko nga po sa inyo eh.
Nangangatwiran ka pa. Wala nang gana kumain. Kain na lang. Wala nang magiging doktor sa pamilya natin eh.
James,
Oh.
may problema ba?
Problema? Wala. Sumama lang yung pakiramdam ni tatay. Sige, kain ka na.
Parang sira yung ano nila, table. Mahal ko ang tatay ko. At wala naman akong balak tumigil sa pag-aaral ko. Pero si Trisha talaga ang nagpapasaya sa akin at ayokong i-give up siya sa buhay ko. Hindi ko na po alam yung gagawin ko, DJ Malaya at Hopia. Sana po, matulungan niyo po ako. #masunuring anak.
Anak.
James. Ayun. Alam mo, James, malaki ka na, di ba? College student ka na, di ba? Medicine yung kurso mo. I'm sure matalino ka.
Yes.
At ngayon na malaki ka na, your happiness matters talaga. And I think it's high time that you make decisions that are good for you, di ba? And importante din na maintindihan mo where your papa is coming from. Siguro dahil gusto niyang i-insist na maging doktor ka because he also had failures before nung kabataan niya, di ba?
Yes,
And ngayon,
exactly.
gusto niyang maging successful ka sa path na yan. Now, wala namang, yung mga magulang natin, Hopia, di ba?
Yes.
Lahat ng mga sinasabi nila para sa ikabubuti nating lahat.
For your
di ba?
own good.
For your own good talaga
Yes.
lagi, di ba?
Because they know.
Yes, ngayon na nandyan na si Trisha sa buhay mo, kung hindi madaan sa usapan yung papa mo, ipakita mo na lang sa kanya na mas pinagbubutihan mo yung pag-aaral mo ngayon at inspired ka sa
Yeah.
pag-aaral mo para maging doktor. At once na makita niya yon, diba, baka magustuhan na niya si Trisha at okay na magkaroon ka ng girlfriend. Now, if Trisha is really worth fighting for, kung mahal mo talaga yung taong yon, fight for that love.
Yes.
But never ever compromise your studies, your dream, and your papa's dream for you. Ganun lang yun.
Yes,
diba?
that's right.
Balance is everything.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. How about you? What can you say?
Me?
Yes.
You know what? What
Yes.
you've said
Oo.
is also in my mind.
Oh!
Everything.
Everything?
Yes.
Wala ka nang i-add? sa
So,
sinabi
now
ko?
what more can I say? You said it already.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Hopia.
But you know what? The advice is okay.
Oo.
So now I want to commend. Commend for the actresses.
Oh,
Yes.
sila
For the
lahat.
actresses,
Sila lahat.
yes, for the actresses that portray the role. First,
Uy, what can you say first about the tatay?
the father looks familiar.
Why?
I always saw the father every morning in the gate. In the gate. Yes.
Oh, me too. Parang familiar
Yes.
nga siya. Totoo.
And the son,
Yes, the son.
the son looks familiar also.
Why?
Because in that Work It Like Miley.
Oh, the
yes.
video that went viral.
Yes. Yes.
Totoo.
Yes.
And how about the acting of the girl?
The girl.
Yes.
The girl. Why you came to work today? Because yes, the people behind this portion, wow, they talk to me.
Today.
You listen first, okay? You listen. The person behind this talked to me already that I will be useful today. I prepare myself, I eternalize, and then I'm run because a while yesterday.
You were prepared for the
Yes, I
responsibility.
ran, and everything.
Oh.
So, I memorized the script. I know how to act like,
May sagot po.
Sorry.
May sagot po si
Sorry,
Maureen.
I'm back.
Okay.
Sorry, idol.
Oh, sorry. It's okay.
Oh my gosh.
Nagsorry na,
What did
nagsorry
you-
na.
What did you call me?
Idol, you're my idol.
Really?
Ay, kinikilig si Hopia.
It's okay. It's okay. You're my idol too, so I forgive you. But tomorrow, please, just please, be absent or
turn.
after work, go home. Sorry.
Or else.
No. But I love you. No, before I end this, I just have definition of love.
What is your
Yes.
definition of love?
To be in the brain of everybody
Oo.
that love is understanding.
Understanding. Why, Hopya?
You need love. You need to be under.
Oo.
Wait, I forgot because I have so many things in that.
Because you really prepared for
Yes,
this, Hopya,
yes. Just
diba?
wait, just
Oo,
wait.
ang daming laman ng utak
Ay.
ni Hopya ngayon. Nag-memorize siya kanina ng script,
Yeah.
tapos mag-give out pa siya ng
Yes.
advice.
This is
So,
my advice. Love is understanding.
Yes, why?
It's okay to be under
Oo.
as long you will be standing for the one you love.
Oy! Please explain, elaborate, Hopya.
No, it's about the understanding. I just, like you hati in English.
Ah.
The understand and under and
Aha.
stand. I just have the understand, unders, and the standing. It's not so hard. And I also
Okay.
have one. Before you, love needs timing. It's
Timing.
Like, it's like in a dance. Because
Totoo.
I'm a dancer, so I really,
Uy.
familiar with that.
Speaking of, can you show us
Yes.
your
It's like
dance
the time
moves?
is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Watch me, girlfriend. Watch the nanay. Watch the girlfriend. Watch the tatay. No, it's like nanay,
Oh,
the tatay, the
yes.
two, yes.
So parang rhythm of love talaga.
Yes, so you have to know the tune, the timing, everything.
The
The beat,
yes.
beat of the heart. Wow!
Wow! Hopya, you're so good at
So
this
that's it.
talaga. Grabe. And let's also read sa mga comments ng
Yes,
mga Dabbercats
comments.
natin dito sa Facebook Live. Sabi ni Tin Chua Guido, gawin mo na lang siyang inspirasyon, yung girlfriend mo, para makuha mo yung pangarap ng mga parents mo sa'yo. Wow, totoo
Yes.
yun.
Okay.
Ano pa ba?
Looking. That race, may kodiko si Hopia. Ay, sorry. That's real. You know me.
Oo, pero sinulat niya talaga yun, mga Dabbercats. Oo. Sabi din dito ni, sino pa ba?
We will see the comment because I think they're thinking about the comment that they will give for
Totoo.
the story today. Because
Sabi ni-
it's really hard.
Ito din ni Kevin Roa. Parents know what is best for their own children. Totoo yun, di ba?
Yes.
Sabi nga namin kanina, walang sinasabi ang mga magulang natin na makakasama sa atin. So, dapat
Yes.
sundin din natin sila. Lalo na kung sila yung nagpapaaral sa atin. Basta just know how to balance everything.
Yes.
Love life, tsaka yung studies mo.
I will read one. Micaela Joy Tasara Rivera. Patunayan mo lang na worth it lahat ng gagawin mo.
True.
Exactly. That's
Sabi
really-
din ni Don D. Flores, advice ko lang po sa sender, DJ Malaya, makinig sa kung ano ang sasabihin ng kanyang mga magulang at dapat maibalance niya both parties. Hindi naman contest ang pagmamahal
Yes.
sa isang tao.
It's a feeling, not a contest.
Yes.
Okay? To, what else? Corazon Manlapas Malyari. Ang ganda mo po, DJ. Ay,
And Hopya.
how about me? DJ, for sure Malaya.
Oh no, you are
Because me,
beautiful.
Hopia, when I introduce, is that me? Or
Yes.
maybe Malaya? Because they introduce me Hopia only. not
DJ
with-
Hopia.
Yes.
From Liza Lazatin, choose
That's
what...
Liza.
Ay,
Hi, Liza.
pala. Liza Lazatin, choose what keeps you happy. Pero tandaan, sa baon mo kinukuha ang pandate nyo. Huwag ka muna mag-girlfriend. Ay,
Ay,
may point din.
May point. There's a point.
Pero again, James, at the end of the day, nasa sayo pa rin yung desisyon kung ano yung dapat mong gawin sa sitwasyon mo ngayon.
Yes.
Yan. Thank you po mga Dabbercats sa lahat nag-comment, sa lahat na nag-share, lahat ng mga nanood. At James, kung nanonood ka man, this song is for you by our music hero.
Go Music Hero.
Bawat sandali ng aking buhay, pagmamahal mo ang aking taglay. San man mapadpad ng hanging hindi magbabago aking pagtingin. Pangako natin sa may kapal na tayo lamang sa habang buhay maghintay. Ipaglalaban ko ang aking pag-ibig. Maghintay ka lamang, ako'y darating. Pagkat sa isang taong mahal mo ng buong puso, lahat ay gagawin. Ipaglalaban ko ang aking pag-ibig. Maghintay ka lamang, ako'y darating. Pagkat sa isang taong mahal mo ng buong puso, lahat ay gagawin. Makita kang muli, makita kang muli, makita kang muli.
Thank you, music hero, Manly and Fender. Yes, thank you.
Yay!
And to all our Dabber Cats, it's still available in iTunes and Spotify, Kalawakan.
Yes, at ang
Yeah.
official music video po, mapapanood po natin sa Eat Bulaga's YouTube channel. And of course, please don't forget to like our Facebook page po, mga Dabber Cats. Ayan, Dabber
Yes.
Cats, pwede rin kayong mag-send o mag-comment ng message for your special someone. At thank you so much, James, for sharing your stories.
story.
Again, kung may love problems po kayo, just send in your love problems sa eatbulaga1979@gmail.com. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Team Online. Send your love problems, yes. Or love stories. Any love. It can be happy, sad. It depends on the situation, but
Yes.
you can send it to us, okay?
Tama, ayan. Bukas po ulit mga Dabber Cats, makakasama niyo pa rin po kami. Ako po ulit si DJ Malaya.
And I'm Hopia.
Yes, dito lang sa Love for All for Love, magmahalan tayo! Asan yung mga cast natin? Ayan. Where's the father? Ay, Kuya Kano, good job, Kuya Kano.
Thank you, Kuya Kano, the father,
Thank
the
you
son,
po.
Kenneth, and my
Where's the-
idol, the girlfriend. My idol, Maureen.
Ano?
Hello.
Thank you, Dapper Cats. Tomorrow, another
Thank you.
story.
Absent
Yes.
tomorrow, absent. Mama.
Again, mag-send up po kayo ng mga love problems nyo. Malapit na pong Valentine's Day at kung may problema kayo, itatry po naming solusyonan yan. Hanggang bukas po ulit, Dabber Cats, araw ng Thursday,
Thursday.
12 noon po, Eat Bulaga.
Yes, watch It Bulaga. Thank you, everyone who keeps on watching us.
Ipaglalaban ko ang aking pag-ibig.
Go, Kuya Kano.
Maghintay ka lamang, ako'y darating.
Basta't sa isang taong mahal mo ng buong puso, lahat ay
Gagawin, makita ka muli.
Yay! The father is really very good.
Good job, good job.
Good job, father.
Good job, Father, the Son.
See you tomorrow, Dapper Cats. Bye. Another episode, I survived.
Yeah.